Hello class 8th. In previous class we start with the chapter of LibreOffice Calc. How, in that chapter we see how we can create a calc in LibreOffice. How we start, what are the different components available for creating a calc or spreadsheet in LibreOffice. In today's class we learn the different mathematical operations performed on spreadsheet. Let's check. In LibreOffice Calc, there are lots of different mathematics available used in a formula. Spreadsheet software has the most powerful feature to calculate numeric data using formulas. स्प्रेडशीट के अंदर एक जो सबसे पावरफुल फीचर होता है वो होता है न्यूमेरिक डेटा को कैलकुलेट करना फॉर्मूलाज को यूज करके. As we use the calculator for calculation, calc can add, subtract, divide, multiply and more much. अगर हम लोग कैलकुलेटर यूज करते हैं तो हम उसके अंदर सिर्फ एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, डिवाइडेशन या मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर सकते हैं. बट इन अ स्प्रेडशीट वी कैन डू more than these things. The mathematical operations are used for plus, we use addition, subtraction, we use minus sign, multiplication, we use star sign, division, we use slash sign, and exponential for power use. As you can see in this table, for addition 23 plus 6, for subtraction 0 minus 6, for multiplication 0 star 6, for division 88 slash 8, and for exponential 2 to the power 5. We can use these things as an functions in our calc. The main advantage of entering formula with cell address and operators works just like a variable. सबसे जो मेन एडवांटेज होता है फॉर्मूला को सेल और एड्रेस के साथ में टाइप करने का कि आप किसी भी वेरिएबल के साथ में वर्क कर सकते हो. व्हेन द वैल्यू ऑफ सेल कंसर्ट चेंज द रिजल्ट ऑब्टेन्ड बाय द फॉर्मूला आल्सो गेट अपडेटेड अकॉर्डिंगली. जैसे ही आप कोई वैल्यू को चेंज करते हो उस पर्टिकुलर सेल के अंदर तो उसका जो ऑब्टेन्ड रिजल्ट होता है वो भी ऑटोमेटिकली चेंज हो जाता है. सो वी कैन चेक हाउ let's check how we can add some formulas in cells and do the updations also. String some values randomly. मैं कोई भी values randomly यहाँ पर put कर रहा हूँ. Now we use different formulas here. The first thing, whenever you use any formula, you need to put equals to sign in front of that. आपको सबसे पहले equals to का sign लगाना जरूरी है जब भी आप कोई formula use कर रहे हैं. Now I am just putting A1 plus B1. Now the result is 10. In the second, I am putting equals to A2 minus B2. In the third, I am just putting equals to sign A3 multiplied by B3. In the fourth one, I am putting equals to sign A4 divided by B4. In the next one, I am putting exponential equals to A5. Exponential sign is present on number row, which is present on a keyboard upward the alphabets. Just need to press shift and press 6 and B5. So by using this you can put some formulas in calc. But if you are using like this, like here I am putting B6 equals to A6 plus B6. This is the wrong, क्योंकि यहां पर हम लोग जो B6 दे रहे हैं, B6 में ऑलरेडी एक वैल्यू है और अगर ये चेंज हो जाएगी तो यहां पर कुछ भी शो नहीं करेगा। सो यहां पर इसने इस फॉर्मूला को एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया। In the shared PDF, which you see in upward, you can find some activities also there. In this activity, you will find a bill of stationery. अब किसी स्टेशनरी का बिल बनाना है कि उस पर्सन ने क्या लिया है. So in that you can just put the number of quantity, put the cost of that particular, and the formula will calculate automatically that particular value of particular price of that stationery, and you can add all these things. Try this practice sheet at your home in either in a LibreOffice Calc or in a Word, Excel. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division are some basic formulas which we use in calculator and in Excel also. There are some more features which is available is average, minimum, maximum and count. We can use these also in spreadsheet. Let's check how we can use average, minimum, maximum and count. Formula in your spreadsheet, first you need to click equals to. First you need to click on equals to sign, then put average. And the value, कहाँ से आपको कहाँ तक एवरेज निकालना है, like A1 to C1 and close this one. So the average is 6.66. इन तीनों का एडिशन करके उनको क्या किया है, इसने डिवाइड किया है 3 से ताकि एवरेज निकल सके. इफ यू वांट टू यूज मिनिमम, अगेन क्लिक ऑन प्रेस इक्वल्स टू min. Now the A2 to C2. This is the minimum value which is 1.9. 1.9 सब में minimum value है. Maximum के लिए equals to max A3 to C3. The maximum value is 4. If you want to count the number of values, equals to, click equals to count and give the value A4 to C4. The count value is 3 because यहाँ पे 3 है, 1, 2 and 3. So the count value is 3. So these are the basic formulas which you can use in Excel. There are lots of different formulas also available you can use in Excel. You just need to click on this go on a formula option available under the. You can use this formula bar also, and there is an option also which gives you a formula bar and the more formulas available in Excel sheet. Here is the function list available जो हम लोगों ने यूज किया है या उसके अलावा all. Look, there are lots of formulas available in spreadsheet. You can use all these formulas in your spreadsheet for creating a complex Excel count. You can use these all formulas for creating a complex LibreOffice Calc or complex Microsoft Word also. So this is it for today class. Practice all the practice available in Excel, PDF, and we will meet in next class. Thank you.